How to delete Facebook activity log all at once. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can delete all of your Facebook activity at once. So without any further delay, let us get started. Head over to your Facebook app and log into your Facebook account. In here, tap onto your profile on your top right, tap on settings icon on your top right again, and tap on Account Center of Meta. As you do so, under Account Settings, tap on Your Information and Permissions. Then at this page, tap on Your Activity of Meta Technologies. Here you will see Clear Previous Activity option. Tap onto it. If you have your Instagram account connected with your Facebook account, you will also see your Instagram account. Now, in order to clear your activity, simply tap onto Clear. Then tap on Clear Previous Activity. Just like so, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. In case it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe, and if you want to see more contents like this, do comment down below. We will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, stay updated.